Hey guys, I'm going to show you the new all surface cleaner today. Let's take a look at it. It's really installed in our demo van. It's not really used in this van, but I'm going to show it to you in this van. So as it says, all surface cleaner, it's pressure washing, power washing, the heat, tile and grout cleaning with heat, carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, just about all surfaces. So interior flooring, interior surfaces, and exterior surfaces. So pretty much everything you can do with one machine. Let me show you this machine. First of all, this is your heat exchanger. It gives you 200 degrees of hot water continuously with the trigger open. This one right here is your Honda motor. It's a 12 horsepower Honda motor, the most reliable motor that's made. Has a pump that's 4,000 psi pressure pump. Here it's got a pressure gauge right there where you can see what the pressure is. So it's typically about 500 for carpet cleaning on this, and then as much as 4,000 for pressure washing with heat. Show you the front of the machine. This machine comes with a lot of things, but just functionality wise, it has a gas tank and a diesel tank. So basically the gas is powering the motor and the diesel is powering the burner. Basically the heat is generated by the diesel heater. It's pretty easy to start. It's just got an electric start, so press a button. And just in case if you were to have trouble with the battery not starting for some reason, whatever, you can always crank it. So it's got a backup like that as well. This is your pressure line. This is where you can hook up your carpet cleaning, your pressure washing, hoses, and then it comes with an adapter. You can adapt it to any different kind of hose that you have. Let me show you the other parts right here, other features. The heat is adjustable. Pretty much you want to have it the highest, the dirtier it is, the better it is. On-off switch, your jets that will go on your wand. Really easy, user-friendly. On the other side, I'll show you the vacuum part of this. This package also comes with a lot of things, little parts that you may need. Upholstery wand, your chemicals. It also comes with parts that you need. For example, this one right here is a 7,350 psi high pressure valve. So now you won't be busting out your valves. You can't use a regular low pressure because it won't work or it won't last. So it comes with really quality things like that. The vacuum hose, your solution hose, the wheels here. Let me show you something about this particular install. Since this is installed in a smaller van, I don't recommend you do it, but you can do it if you wanted to, but it's always good to have space, especially if you're going to be doing so many different services: pressure washing, carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, tile and grout cleaning, all these things with the machine. You're going to need room for tools, maybe a Rotovac or whatever else. So it's better to have a bigger van, but this is our demo van, so we have it in here. And in this particular one, what I do is I just unlock the wheels and pull it a little closer to the edge. And the reason I'm doing that is because the two exhausts on this machine, one is right here, which is your engine exhaust, and the other one is your diesel exhaust. So I want the diesel exhaust to be above, past this point where it's not gonna heat up the top of the van or have any kind of issues there. So basically when I use it in this, I just pull it out a little bit and use it like that. That's pretty much it. If you want to use pressure washing, you'd hook this one up here, and here you go, you pressure washing. You want to do carpet cleaning, you would take this wand inside, use this for the pressure. And then now I'm going to talk about the vacuum. All right, now the vacuum side. This is really interesting. You can actually remove this. You can move this around. Certain times we've shown it on this other side. It just depends on your convenience. You can also flip it around, whatever you want. This is your vacuum power, and it basically powered by 2 LX motors from Mighty. They're unbelievably powerful. It is an auto dump machine. So what that means is as the water gets sucked in, you have a garden hose that you can run onto a drain, and you can clean all day long. It'll suck the water and pump it out. This thing is so powerful that you're not losing vacuum 150 feet away. So basically, if you're cleaning the inside of the house, you can use it for that. If you also are doing reclamation for your water, picking up the wastewater so it doesn't drain into the storm drain, this is excellent for that. You can use one of our booms, throw the boom down, turn on the vacuum, pressure wash all you want. It'll get sucked up in the boom, and then it'll go right into a drain that you want it to go into. The vacuum can be, since it can be flipped around, this side is all the controls of it. You can control both the motors, you can control the pump out from here. It does take electricity, so this is basically 2 110 circuits, just household circuits. So you to turn it on to power it, you would just plug those in. I know some of our customers have generators, but you know, if you have a smaller van or if you don't have that, that's fine too. I actually would prefer to use this without the generator, but if you had it, you know, that's just added convenience. So this vacuum part is really thought out. This has been around for a while. It's got some little bugs worked out from it. So it's a very reliable machine, extremely powerful, extremely economical to use too. You're not really using any kind of extra source of gasoline or anything like that for this. And that's pretty much it. All right, guys, thank you for your time. If you had any other further questions, please list them down below. Give us a call. Our number is 877-926-3748, and ask for more information on the machine. Also, I'm going to make some videos for you that are doing specific surfaces. So we're going to be doing pressure washing, power washing, surface cleaning, indoor carpet cleaning, tile and grout cleaning, furniture cleaning, you name it. Anything that you want to do with the machine, there'll be a video for that if there isn't already. And I thank you for your time. It's been my pleasure.